Alright, so the first thing we want to do here is just head over and download Cursor. Once it's downloaded, just go ahead and install it. So in order to use Cursor, you need to have an account. You can use a free account, you don't have to pay for it, but you'll have to create an account. Also make sure you've got the proper path selected here. After that, just go ahead and click continue, then continue again. Go ahead and click to toggle on the actual menu. You can even Control B here. Then we need to get the Claude extension, so we'll have to click on the extension tab here and simply type in Claude Code. After that, just go ahead and click install on the actual extension. Once the extension is installed, you want to create a new project. I'll come here and open a new folder and create a test project. And then simply select the folder. So once the project is loaded, you want to head over and activate the actual Claude subscription. So in order to do so, you'll have to click this menu right here and then simply click Claude Code. Once you do so, you have to activate the actual subscription by clicking this Claude subscription button. Then you need to authorize your subscription. Once you click the link, you'll get the authorization in your browser where you have your actual account. So as you can see, I just got an error here. This is a Git error, so you just have to install Git and everything will work just fine. So here's the link you have to click in order to get Git. Once here, simply click on download and install afterwards. So the process is pretty straightforward. We simply click next and finish the setup. After that, simply restart the app, toggle the sidebar again, in case it's closed, and then select project view from here. And then you click open, and we're going to open the test project we created earlier. So in case you're having a hard time to actually open the Claude extension, we're going to go back to the extension tab and simply assign it a shortcut so we can always press it and have the actual extension open up. So in my case, I'll just click Ctrl Shift and 9, and then hit enter. Press Ctrl Shift and 9. Right, and there you go, you have the full extension working and you're ready to go. So as a last tip, you want to select the latest model. So in my case, it's Claude Opus 4.6. And also you want to have Tinkin on for best results.